This is problem number 36 of GATE 2016. The current state QA/QB of a 2 JK flip-flop system is 0, 0. Assume the clock rise time is much smaller than the delay of JK flip-flop. And the next state of the system is option A 0, 0, option B 0, 1, option D 1, 1, and option D 1, 0. Okay, so means this flip flop is nothing but a synchronous the combination of flip flop is nothing but counter and register. This is a counter, and this counter is a can be called as synchronous counter, as this has common clock for the flip flops. Okay, and yes, so the both the flip flop will change its states simultaneously. Now for the flip flop A, what is JA is equals to Ka is equals to 1, because it is in high condition and 5 volt is given to these terminals. Okay, and what is JB is equals to KB is equals to QA bar, because this is a NOT operation is given in the circuit. Okay, now initially what we have QA equals to 0, QB is equals to 0, right? As JA and K is always 1, then QA is equals to 1 always, and JB equals to KB equals to QA bar, and QA bar means our present state is QA equals to 0 and QA bar will be 1, right? So JA and KB uh, is equals to 1. So our next state of QB is equals to 1. So the correct option will be option C, 1, 1.